What if I told you that you could save $500 every single month without feeling broke, stressed, or restricted? Most people think saving that much is impossible. But the truth is, it's not about how much you earn. It's about having the right system. Here's the real problem. Most people want to save money, but it never happens. Your paycheck comes in, you pay rent, you pay bills, then money slowly disappears. A few subscriptions here, takeout once or twice a week, small purchases that don't feel expensive in the moment. By the end of the month, there's nothing left to save. Not because you're bad with money, but because you're relying on willpower instead of a system. In this video, I'll show you a simple system to save $500 a month. No complicated budgeting apps, no extreme lifestyle changes. Just 3 clear steps you can start using today. The first step is automation. You need to pay yourself first. Savings should not be whatever is left at the end of the month. Savings should be treated like a bill. The moment you get paid, a fixed amount should automatically move to a separate savings account. If you're paid monthly, that number is $500. If you're paid every 2 weeks, it's $250 per paycheck. If you're paid weekly, it's $125 per week. When the money moves automatically, you don't think about it. And when you don't think about it, you don't spend it. Make sure this savings account is separate from your checking account. Name it something meaningful, like emergency fund or future me. The harder it is to access, the safer your money becomes. If you break it down, saving $500 a month is about $16 a day. Most people spend more than that without noticing. Automation removes choice, and removing choice is the secret. The second step is fixing small spending leaks. You don't need to cut everything. You just need to cut the things that don't add much value. Cancel one streaming service you barely use. That alone can save $10 to $15 a month. Reduce takeout by just 1 meal per week. That can save around $100 a month. Check your phone plan, insurance, or subscriptions. Many people overpay without realizing it. These small changes don't feel painful, but together they make a big difference. You can also boost your savings with tiny extras. Use a roundup feature in your bank app. Spare change adds up faster than you think. Sell a few unused items sitting at home. Old electronics, clothes you don't wear. You don't need a full side hustle. Even an extra $100 helps reinforce the habit. The third step is psychology. This is where most people fail. People don't quit because the system is hard. They quit because it doesn't feel rewarding. Name your savings account. Seeing a purpose makes saving emotional, not logical. Track your progress visually. A simple bar or chart keeps motivation alive. And reward yourself occasionally, not with spending sprees, but with small, intentional rewards when you hit milestones. Make saving boring. Boring systems last longer than exciting ones. If something unexpected happens, don't panic. Pause the transfer for 1 month if needed. Adjust the amount temporarily. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. Miss 1 month, and you restart the next. That's how real systems work. One simple example. Someone earning $3,000 a month automated their savings. They cut one subscription, reduced takeout slightly, used roundups. In the first month, they saved the full $500. 6 months later, they had $3,000 saved. No stress, no extreme changes. Let's recap. Automate your savings like a bill. Fix small spending leaks. Use psychology to stay consistent. If this video helped you, subscribe for more simple money systems. Like the video so more people see it. Comment below and tell me the first expense you'll cut. Start today. Make saving automatic. And $500 a month will stop feeling impossible.